What's good, guys, and welcome back to another video. So before I get to the source of this video right here, guys, I just want to tell you guys right here that this is going to be time sensitive information. So the moment you see the video, act upon it and also do your own further research. But remember, in the previous video, I talked about the Memecoin Supercycle actually being here, and I gave you guys 3 coins that could actually 100x your portfolio, right? So I just want to continue on with that trend right here because you can see the coins are going to be pumping. So why is even Housecoin actually pumping right now? Well, we can see the top influencers, right? So if you're going to be on X right here and you're trying to get into the host, CT, which is going to be crypto trader, these are going to be the people to follow because they actually move the market. So you can see the moment Axiom has actually been talking about Housecoin right here, we have actually seen a surge in price on Housecoin, and already in the past 4 hours or in the 4 hours that we've had with him posting about Housecoin, it's already gone up by 243%. So really, this is going to be your last chance for you to pay close attention to these meme coins that I'm about to give you right on here. And also, I'm going to cover some utility tokens such as ONDO right here because it is also going to be gearing up for a price surge. So if you do enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So firstly, let's just start off with the utility tokens. This is going to be ONDO, and ONDO is going to be an RWA token. So it's an RWA project as well, I should say, not token, right? And right now we've actually seen some good news coming to ONDO because they are planning on actually bringing stocks on chain. So we saw right, actually crash to like its lowest. So it went from 6 billion all the way to 500 million. And overall, there's been a shift, I should say, whereby people are going to be more confident in ONDO. So you can see ONDO was actually in a bearish trend right here, and we did actually break out right now, and there was going to be an inverse head and shoulder that was actually forming on ONDO, and we have actually broken out of that trend. And also with the inverse head and shoulder, you can see that the pattern itself is actually holding up. So for me, I have already opened up a position on ONDO on Bybit, and the link to Bybit is going to be down in the description below, guys, if you need a place to trade on. But right here, you can see that ONDO is going to be gearing up for a price surge to, well, firstly, the resistance that we have to look into is going to be the $1.20 level. So I do believe ONDO is going to push all the way to this level, and then there's just going to be a continuation with price surging right on here because right now we are going to be in a bull market. So you can see the Bitcoin right now is going to be trading at 95k, and we are only 5k away from actually hitting 100k again. So you have to pay close attention to these tokens right on here. And also another utility token that you can actually pay close attention to is going to be suie. So suie as well right here is going to be a major token, and you can see it was in a bearish trend, and right now we've actually broken out of that bearish trend. So because already maybe you've missed out on this surge right here, and I'm not gonna lie as well, I missed out on it. So I've just overall just entered off of what's happening with the market right now, and we did actually enter off of this level after this breakout. So I do believe there's still potential for suie to even go way further than the all-time high right here. And right now, if I were you, in terms of like looking at suie, I would be looking at this level. So I'm just going to get my fib extension right here, and if we were to measure this extension right from here to this level right here, you can see that for now our entry levels, we should be expecting price to overall retrace to this level, which is going to be close to the $3 level, or else if it's going to be like the worst case scenario, then it would actually come back to my entry, and then we're just going to continue on with the uptrend itself. For now, this is going to be a confirmed uptrend, and even if we don't get that, you can just wait for a little pullback off of these minor levels of support and resistance, and then maybe you can also get a buy off of that. But right now you can see it's going to be trading at a level of resistance, so we're kind of rejecting this $4 level. But I do believe with suie right here, there's also potential to overall go to our target right here, which is going to be the $5 level. So that's to do with the utility tokens. These are going to be the only utility tokens that I'm looking at right now in order for me to trade, and the others are going to be Memecoin. So already, as I've said, Housecoin is going to be pumping right now because of these influencers like the KOLs that are going to be talking about these meme coins. So you really have to pay close attention to it. You can see it's surging as I am recording this video. So I am also pissed because, you know, I didn't actually enter at these levels, but then I was doing some research on it, and for me, I am going to be intro. So I just opened up a trade to show you guys that, you know, I do take actual live trades when I tell you to enter this token. So this is going to be a bad entry, but I am already up massively because I entered somewhere around these levels, right? So really this is just going to be off of like the Axiom account, but you can see I do trade off of you know, Nova. So Nova is going to be a trading bot, and I linked it up with my Phantom wallet. So whenever I click on sell, it's going to activate in my Phantom wallet as well. But I'm going to be active on Troll, and I do believe Troll as well is going to do massively well, and it's going to hit 50 million market cap at some point. But right now, the other coins that we should actually pay close attention to, whereby we could actually see some you know, gains coming to right here, I would say that Giga is going to be one of those tokens, because you can see we were in a very bad bearish trend, and you already know Giga is going to be one of those major tokens that also Morad is going to be bullish on. So Morad is like, you know, that top tier meme coin degenerate that has been, you know, giving us the calls on this token. So he gave us SPX and also Giga right here, and with Giga right now you can see it's now making higher highs, right? So you can see we made a low right here, so we made a low right here, and then we made a higher low, and we are just continuing on with this trend. So I do believe Giga is going to be bullish right now, and still this is going to be a very good level for you to enter Giga off of, and it's going to hit $1 billion market cap valuation at some point. But right now, if we were to just continue on with this trend, because right now as well, you can see this is going to be a little pullback, right? Or not a little pullback as such, but then we're going to be trading at resistance right here. Then the moment we actually do break out of this resistance, right, then we should expect, you know, Giga to just continue pushing further up, right? As already we have seen with the likes of these other AI agents such as Alchemist. So the AI agents as well right now, they're going to be pushing, and if you come to cookie.fun, right, this is going to be the platform whereby you can actually you know, view all the AI agents that are going to be available on the market. So you can see on the 7-day like chart already, you can see the percentages. So a lot of these are going to be up massively, and the opportunities are there for you to just continue trading these AI agents. Like really, the opportunities are right there. So that's also something that I'm paying close attention to. And with Alchemist, I do believe, since we've already come to, you know, all-time highs, and all the way coming from the lows of, you know, 14 million market cap to 200 million market cap, it's not going to be about like, you know, these newer token launches and then you making you know, life-changing gains off of that one. But then even these ones that have been around for like the longest time, you will still be able to make massive gains off of this. So for now, I am also waiting on this, and if I were to take my fib as well, you can see that right now we can just wait for this to pull back to our level of so if I were to put it right here, you can see it's coming to our entry levels. So for me, I enter off of these golden levels with my Fibonacci, and you already know with the Fibonacci extension, we're only going to be measuring you know, retracements or pullbacks, right? So right now price is going to be pulling back to this level of you know, right here it was actually being used as resistance, and right now it's going to be used as support, and then maybe we can see a push to the upside as well on Alchemist. And the other tokens that I'm going to be super bullish on right now is going to be the Trump token right here, and also the Priest one. So this one is just JD Vance, who is like, you know, the vice president to Trump, and Trump actually came out recently that he is going to be holding a dinner for people that actually hold the Trump token. So anyone with there's going to be a reader board actually for this, and people are really getting engaged with this one right here, guys. So you really don't want to miss out on this as well. I thought that fartcoin would actually take over Trump, but with that news of Trump actually hosting the party itself, then you know, the dinner, then there's going to be a chance of like, you know, the Trump token actually going way further than where it's at right now. So also with this one, we have actually broken out of this trend, the bearish trend right here, and because also we had, you know, token unlocks, people thought that now it's become an inflationary token, so it's just going to see massive sell-offs because there's going to be a lot of tokens out there in the market and there's not going to be any demand for it. So right now the utility for it is that, you know, you're going to be getting to dinner with Trump as well. And you can see already we've actually broken out of this trend right here, and we're going to be trading at a level of support. So still there's going to be potential for this to, if I were just to go to the price right here, there's going to be potential for Trump to actually hit even the $20 price range, which is not way far from here, from where we're at right now. So you can see even volume is picking up. So this is also something that you can actually pay close attention to. And the other token, as I said, is going to be the JD Vance coin. And you can see also with this one, we're in a bearish trend and we've actually broken out of it, and there's a chance of actually going way further to the upside as well. All these tokens right here, you can see this is going to be I can just come back here. This is going to be like my watch list, right? So there's no need for you to actually push for newer tokens when you can actually make gains off of these older ones. You just have to be super patient and wait for price to actually do its thing. So if these meme coins actually still have an active community, then know for sure that the prices will surge at some point. And also another coin that we can actually look into, which is going to be the last coin right here, is going to be Retard Finder coin, which is going to be RFC. So with this one as well, right now it's going to be dumping, right? But I do believe if this level actually holds up, then we can actually set up some limit orders on Axiom right here. So also the link to Axiom is going to be down in the description below, and you will be able to actually get some good entry levels off of this one. But for now, I wouldn't actually buy this because I do believe there still may be some downside. So if we see this level break right here, then I won't be interested into it as well. But it's a big coin, and the liquidity is also locked right here, so there's going to be massive potential for this one to also do well. So if you did enjoy the video, guys, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I wanted to share with you guys this coin right here because they are set for some massive pushes to the upside. And also, if you're wondering what platform this is going to be defined, so it's a way better version or a cleaner version of like Dex Screener right here, but then the information is going to be the same. So again, if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.